you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
What's up, man?
What you running here?
I got 4 Skar VX715s on a Ruthless 10K.
Yes, sir.
On 96 Amplifiers and Headway.
Yes, sir. You got plenty of.
Oh, yeah.
Here it is, a groove slightly transformed. Just a bit of a break for the room. Just a little summertime.
Play all day. Play all day water. Let me know where you can find you on social media.
I got, hold on, I have to go look at it. I'm Dalton Feller on Facebook, and then on Instagram and TikTok, I'm Dalton Feller _03.
Okay. I'm gonna try to. I'm gonna leave my information where you can find your video and everything.
That's my TikTok there. Y'all
be sure to give him a follow. Be sure to tag him in the video. Man, it's good to see you, bro.
Good seeing you.
Yes, sir.
You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.